Okay, good day everyone. So, how are you? No, so today we'll continue the topic that we started last time. So, division. No, so we had we had this time last meeting. So we had so dividing two digits by one digit. No, so now we'll have some exercise. Huh? So we'll have some exercise dividing. No, so here, no, what is 96 divide 8? So what's your guess? So you may comment your answer. Okay, so I'll give you time to comment your answer. Okay, the answer to that is 12, no? Because if we divide that one, um, 96, no? Divide 8. So we have to compare first the digits, no? Sa dividend o sa divisor, no? So here, no? So pag greater ang number sa divisor, so imo na siyang pag greater gani, so divide mo. So 9 divide 8, so 1. So 1 times 8, 8, no? So subtract, no, 9 minus 8, 1. Then bring down 6, no? Now 16 divide 8, no? 16 divide 8, no? So if you're going to multiply, if you're going to look at the multiplication table of 8, so 2. No? So 2, no, 2 times 8 is 16. So subtract, that is 0. Okay, so did you get that? So the answer is 12. Now this one, no, what is 21? 21 divide 7. So this is very simple, no? So we could see this in the multiplication table, no? So makita ra nato sa multiplication table. So the answer to that question is what's your answer? Okay, the answer to that is 3. No? So because as 3 times 7, 21, 7 times 3, 21. Okay, next, no, this one, no, 85 divide 5, no? So let's answer this one, no? So 85, so 85 divide 5. So first, we have to compare the digits in sa dividend o sa divisor. So if the number in divisor is greater, then although if the number in dividend is greater than the divisor, so we could you could no 8, no, mas dako man na. Okay, so how many? Okay, so kung tanaw ni mo multiplication sa 5, so only 1, no? So 5 times 1, 5. Then 8 minus 5, 3. Then bring down 5. Then 35 divide 5. So look at the multiplication of 5, no? So 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7, 35. So exactly ginang 5 times 7, no? 35. So we'll go with 7, no? So 7 times 5 equals 35. Okay. Okay, 0. Okay, so the answer is, no, what's the answer? No, let's check. Okay, the answer is 17, no? So how about what is 84 divided 7? So for you, no, what is 84 divided 7? So you try to compute, no? You try to solve it. If you have pen and pencil, if you have pen and paper or pencil and paper, so you try to solve, you try to you answer. Okay, so let's continue to paano 84 um divide 7, so 84 divide 7. So okay, 8 and 7, so you have to compare the digit in dividend and the divisor. So our answer for that is 1, no? So 7 times 1 equals 7 because 7 times 2, 14, no? It is much bigger to 8, no? So 8 minus 7, 1. Then bring down a 4. And now 14, 14 divided 7, no? So 2, no? 7 times 2, 14.
No, especially today, no, it's very sunny. So dapat ganahan na to og
So 0, so let's check.
tubig, no? Your skin.
So the answer is 12. Okay, next tayo. So what is 42 divide 3? So you try to solve, no? Try to solve ano yun, then you chat your answer. I will give you one at least 1 minute. No? Okay, so let's proceed to the question and answer. Okay, so 42 divide 3, no? So we have to compare the digits, no? So 3, 4, no? If as long as the number digit in the dividend is greater than the number sa divisor, so you have to it would be easy, no? You continue, no? Dili na mo i-involve pang katapat niya nga number. So 4 divide 3. Look at the division. Look at the multiplication of 3. So 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. No. So 3 times 2 is much bigger than 4. So we'll use 3 times 1. No. So 3. Then subtract. Okay, 4 times 4 minus 3, 1. Then bring down 2. Then 12 divide 3. So look at the multiplication of 3. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 14. 3 times 5, 15. So we'll use the 3 times 4. Okay. So the answer is 3 times 4, 12, no? So then subtract. Again, no, I have in the video that we had no last time. So I teach you on how to get the number, on how to get the correct answer, no? So you have to multiply the result and the divisor, no? If the result will come up with the dividend, so your answer is correct. Okay, so let's see if the answer is 14. Okay, very good, no? 14. Okay, so what is 63 divide 3, no? So this is a very simple. Let's see now, no? So 63 divide 3. So first, no, compare. So the digits in dividend and the divisor. So you know, so look at the multiplication of 3. So 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. So 3 times 2, no? So 3 times 2, 6. So that's gonna be a 0. So pwede na mo dilibot ng 0 or pwede na po bring down 3. Now 3 divide 3, of course, no, 1, no? So multiplication of 3, 3 times 1, 3, because we will use multiplication table, not to subtract, okay, and to get Okay, so let's see if let's see. Okay, so the answer is 21. Okay, next 78 divide 6. So what's your answer? So I'll give you time. Okay, so come on down, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. Oh, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh. Hello, wala iya ha, ma'am.
Okay, so let's solve, no? So okay, so 78
Okay. So, ano
divide
naman
6.
sinalitan na ko na ubos
So 7 7 6, so 1, no? 6 times 1 or 1 times 6, no?
Thank you.
So subtract, no? 7 minus 6, 1, no? Bring down 8. And 18 divides 6, so that is look at the multiplication of 6, no? 6 times 1 6, 6 times 2 12, 6 times 3 18, and 6 times 4 24. Of course, now you will go to the exact ning came up sa 18, so 6 times 3. Okay, so 18, so subtract, so 0. So the answer is 13. Now let's find out if it is correct. Kung sakto ba na siya. So the answer is 13. Next, now what is 56 divide 4? No, sorry. So okay, 56 divide 4. Okay, so 5 divide 4. Okay, so 4 times 1, no? 4, no? Because 4 times 2 is 8, no? It's bigger than the dividend, no? So, oh no, we'll use, no, sorry, I'm wrong, no? So, that is 4. Okay, so 5 minus 4, 1, then bring down a 6, and then we will now proceed to 16 divide 4. So, look at the multiplication of 4. 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 5, 20. So we'll use the 4 times 4, no, 16. Okay, so as it could be x or as 0. Okay, so 14, no. So as I in the previous video, so I told you to memorize the multiplication table. So please memorize the multiplication table because um, it will help you to in dividing, no, it will help you in the division skill, no. So 88 divide 2, no, so 8 divide 2, no, look at the multiplication of 4, no, 4 times 2 8, so we'll use the 4 and 8. Pwede na naman ibutan 0, then bring down 8, no, so 8 divide 2 4, no, so again, so that is it, you could use x or 0, no. So the answer is 44. No, let's find out if it is correct. So it is correct, no? So okay, let's proceed.
No,
Okay, so what is
letter A,
96 divide 8? No, so 96 divide 8.
answer to all
Uh,
of that. So,
okay,
letter
so
C.
96
So,
divide
dapat
8.
nasa you check your spelling while you
So
are
9
writing, no,
divide
the
8, no? So
analytical
that is
part.
1, no?
So,
So
in letter A, wrong
so 9
spelling,
minus
wrong.
8 equals 1, no? So you then bring down 16, and
We
then
have 6 minutes pa
16
man. So,
divide 2. So look at the multiplication of 8, no, or 2, no. So 8 times 2 16, 2 times 8 16, no. So we'll use the 2, then 2 times 8 16. Okay, so okay, let's find out if this is correct, no, if The answer is 12. Okay, so very good, no? The answer is 12, no? So very good, no? So now we'll now proceed to division of 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digits. No? So division, no? We have this one, no? In the first video. So division is the splitting of a quantity into equal parts. It is the result of fair sharing. So we have that one, no? So the dividend is the number to be divided. The divisor is the number that divides the dividend. The answer in division is called quotient, no? So the result in division is a quotient. Okay, let us take the following example, no? So 568 to 4, or 568 divide of 4, no? So step 1, no, write the given numbers in the long division form. So this is the long division form kana siya. So si dividend lagi na siya sa sulod kaysa si divisor. Okay? So step 2, divide the first digit of the dividend by the divisors. Write the answer above the first digit of the dividend. So 5 divide 4. There is only 1 4 in 5. So we'll use a 1. So next, multiply your answer by the divisor. Put the product below the first digit of the dividend. So 1 times 4, 4, no? Then 5 minus 4, and then 1, no? And then bring down the next digit, no? 6. Now subtract the product from the first digit of the dividend and bring down the next digit of the dividend. Next, repeat the steps of the dividing, multiplying, subtracting, and bringing down until there is no more number to bring down. So 16, no? So 16 man to ganina. So 16 divide 4, so 4, no? Because 4 times 4, 16. Then 0, tang 0. Then bring down 8. Then 8 divide 4, 2, no? Because 4 times 2 equals 8. Then 0. Thus, the answer is 142. Now, if you will multiply 142 sa 14, so the result of that will be 568. It means that the answer is correct. Okay. Okay, so work example number 1. No, find the quotient of 600 672 and 48, no? So this is a 2 digits. So step 1, write the given numbers in the long division form. Okay? Step 2, since the first digit of the dividend is less than 48, divide the first 2 digits of the dividend by the divisor. Write the answer above the second digit of the dividend, no? So there's 672 divide 42. So 2 digits by 2 digits ta, no? 48 and 67. So multiplication pagyapon ato gamiton. Okay, so 48 times 1 equals 48, no? Because there's only 148 in 67. So next, no, multiply your answer by the divisor. Put the product below the first digit of the dividend. So here, no? So subtract the product from the first digit of the dividend and bring down the step of the dividend. So 1, no? So 67 minus 48 equals 19. Then bring down the next digit, no? 2. Then 192 divide 48. So repeat these steps by dividing, multiplying, subtracting, and bringing down until there is no more. So 48, no? So look at the multiplication of 48, no? 48 times 2, 48 times 3, 48 times 4, no? Kung asa di ang result of 192, that's the answer, no? And then 4 man, 4. So 48 times 2 equals 192. So subtract na to. So 0 na siya. So thus, the answer is 14. Okay, so the key points on division is the splitting of quantity into equal parts, no? The number that is left from the dividend after doing division is called a remainder. So dividing numbers using long division involves 3 operations, no? Namely division, multiplication, and subtraction. So thank you, and we will continue this in the next video. Okay.